Okay, we have a Doosan horizontal machining center, model HC400 Roman numeral 2, serial number MH0001-000804. This machine was new in 2014 and we're going to run it for you. Machine has a FANUC OIM control. Right now we are running the X-axis. You have a 15 3/4 by 15 3/4 or 400 millimeter pallet, 23.6 inches of travel in the X, 22 in the Y, which he's running right now, and 22.2 in the Z. All the axes are quiet. We're also going to index the pallet. The pallet has 360-degree index, or 1 degree. Machine has a 2-pallet capability. We're going to do a pallet change. Here we go. Okay, that's a pallet change. Now we're going to do a tool change and we're going to watch the spindle run. Machine has a 60 ATC or 60 tool automatic tool changer. By the way, that spindle, which we will run in a moment, is a 12,000 RPM Cat 40 Big Plus. And it does have coolant through the spindle, 230 PSI. Right now we're running 2,000 RPM. We're going to go up. 4,000 RPM. 7,000 RPM. That's 10,000 RPM. Okay, again, 12,000 RPM is the max, but I think we're good there. Hey, thank you for watching our video.